How to fix Instagram audio calling option not showing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. Now, in order to solve your problem, first of all, let's go ahead and get logged into your Instagram account via a web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. You can also use your Microsoft Edge or any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Instagram sign in. Tap on this login button here. And then type in your username or email address, then your password, then tap on login. Once you get logged into your Instagram account via a web browser, if you can see the option of call, that means you have a cache problem. So let's go ahead and clear it. Open up your settings, scroll all the way below, tap on apps. From here again, type in Instagram and search for your Instagram app. Tap onto your app, scroll below, tap on storage, and then clear the cache. Now, if you remember the credentials, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once you do so, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then check if your application is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store for that. Type in Instagram. Likewise, if your application shows update, you have to tap on update and update your app. And once you do all this, restart your device and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys, and thank you for watching.